In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to hit About Tablet at the very bottom. Then select the device name under Basic Info and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. Now when you're done, hit OK in this pop-up and then OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!